Our DNA has about 22,000 genes, but we have over 1 million proteoforms, or protein variants, that our DNA can encode for. How is this possible? With post-translational modifications and more, the complexity and variability of proteins is unimaginable. Arguably being the most important workers of the cell, understanding proteins means understanding more about human diseases, cancer research, and drug discoveries. Proteomics is a study of the proteins produced by a cell. Bottom-up proteomics is a common approach today, which involves digesting the large and complex protein into smaller, easier-to-analyze pieces called peptides. Digestions are done with enzymes and are usually done in a solution, but this can be a lengthy process, taking around 18 hours. So at Dr. Gulfam Ghafourifar's lab here at UFE, we synthesize a hydrogel to encapsulate and immobilize the enzyme within it. This will prevent the enzyme from digesting itself while still doing an incredible job at digesting our protein sample. In fact, we can do successful digestions in just 5 minutes. With how important proteomics is, there will always be situations where we don't have access to a lab to do these 18-hour digestions. So with hydrogels, instead of taking the sample to the lab, we want to bring the lab to the sample source. But how well do these hydrogels stabilize the enzyme? To answer this, I explored the shelf life of the enzyme trypsin when it's immobilized within a hydrogel. I wanted to see how long trypsin can have its protein digestion efficiency preserved within a hydrogel stored at room temperature or in the fridge. So far, we can observe trypsin's activity up until 2 weeks stored in the fridge and 3 weeks at room temperature, and potentially even longer as my research is currently ongoing. By understanding the shelf life of the hydrogel, we are advancing towards the integration of hydrogel digestions as a routine method in proteomics, only furthering its potential applications in cancer treatment and human diseases using biomarkers. Thank you.